Maryland continues to be a seller's market with homes selling at 100% list price and in only 17 days. It's Friday, June 26, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. 2,320 new properties came on the market over the past week, and coming soon properties fell 5.1% to 1,660 units at $495,000 median list price. New contracts rose to 1,643 properties and going under contract in 17 days, holding at a median list price of $430,000. 1,348 properties sold in 11 days at 100% list to sold ratio and a median sold price of $485,500. And active rentals rose again this report to 3,306 properties, with the median list price rising to $2,600 per month. And over the past week, it's taking a median of 24 days for a rental property to go to lease. Are you curious about housing values in your area? Reach out to me and let's talk. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, June 26, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.